Welcome to a how-to video on how to set yourself up to use a sewing machine. So first step, I've got my bobbin, I'm going to attach it to its pin. I've already threaded it through. And then I'm going to take the thread around the guide and then I'm going to put my spool of thread onto its pin. I'm then going to click the wheel from the side, pull it out, and this will activate the bobbin rather than the needle. I'm then going to turn the machine on. I've had it off at this point just for safety. And then I'm going to compress the foot pedal and it's all going to start spinning and the thread is going to start collecting on the bobbin. So I've clicked my wheel back into position and now I'm going to threadle up the machine. I've done a downward motion up and then I've used the wheel to activate the little arm to hook it onto, which we'll see more clearly now I've done a close-up. So down and then up. Then I'm going to move the wheel to make the arm come up, looped it round and then down. Now draw the thread down and slip it into the thread guide on the left. You're then going to pull your thread through and then you're going to try and get the thread through the eye of the needle, which is the fiddly bit. This is the hardest bit, trust me. And then I want you to pull it all the way through a good 10 centimeters. So I have a front loading bobbin case on my sewing machine, which I'm now going to open. And now we're going to go through how to thread up the bobbin. So pull your bobbin case out. And you will see you've got the place where we're going to put in the bobbin. So pop it in, going to take the thread and then you're going to follow the little path into the eye and the spring. Just hook it through there and then you're just going to plonk it back into the case. Make sure to push it in hard enough that it clicks. So now we need to pull both threads through onto the plate. So I do one stitch down and this will capture the loop from the bobbin and then I'm going to use pencil, paintbrush, whatever you got to hand to just pull the loop through. Then you got both threads at the top. So now we're going to start doing some sewing. This is the foot pedal, which you're going to raise up to put the fabric in and then you're going to drop the foot just to hold the fabric in place once you're sewing. So here I am dropping it down. I'm now going to select a stitch, so you can pick all these stitches along the side. There's a variety of stitches, variety of jobs they do. If you want something stretchy, if you just want a basic stitch, if you want something hardcore. So I'm going to go for a little zigzag stitch, which is C. And then I'm going to push down on my pedal and it's going to start sewing. I'm going to make sure that my needle is raised above, otherwise it's going to get stuck. I'm then going to raise my foot and then I'm going to use some snippers and snip it free. Good idea is afterwards to pull the thread through because you don't want it to be too short. You always want to keep it about 10 centimeters long. So there you go, a basic tutorial on how to use a sewing machine. Good luck, have fun. Try not to sew your fingers to the fabric.